You're welcome. Thanks for joining Smart Tech. Today I'm going to train you on how you can remove your account from private section on TikTok. Some of us don't know that their account is in private section. Once your account is in private section, you find it difficult for people to follow you. People will not get to know of your activity. So to get your account removed from private section, this is how you do it. So come to your TikTok, then go to your profile. From your profile, look at these three lines. This line, this very line you see I marked, click on it. Click on the line, the three line. Come to setting. Click on setting. Then come to look at privacy. Click on privacy. As you can see, look at these options right here. Look at the options I indicate with arrow. Privacy, this very part. You see? So once this privacy is activated, you have problem. Once it's activated like this, there is problem. So go and check your account. If your account is activated, the privacy is activated. Some of us don't know that the account is in privacy. Once it's activated like this, you will be finding it very difficult to get followers. People will not get to know your account. It will be giving them once they make a request, you will have to approve before they can be granted, which of course I believe some of us are not really after that. So once you have that issue, so come to this very part, deactivate this very privacy. Just click on it, then it will ask you a few questions. Switch to public account. Just click on switch. Click on switch. So automatically it will be deactivated. So this is how you get your account away from privacy. With this, people will be able to follow you. Then you'll be able to follow people. If you find this training helpful, kindly follow me. Please share with everyone. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Then stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.